Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose payout method on the Airbnb app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then go to your profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen, and here at the accounts settings menu, you just have to tap on the payments and payouts section, and you will see these two different parts here. The one on the top is going to be the travel payment sections, and below that you will see your hosting payment options. And here the first option is going to be the payout method, and by tapping on it, here you have to set up your payouts. This is the settings where you can add the way that you would like to receive your payments for hosting on Airbnb. Now you have to choose your country, then you have to choose method. You can choose between PayPal, bank transfer, or Pioneer Prepare debit MasterCard. This can be different for each country, so if you live in a different country, maybe that you will see different options, but generally PayPal and bank transfer should be available. Now when you choose the one method that you would like to use, you have to add your address obviously, and after that your bank details, and you are pretty much set up and you can receive payments on Airbnb. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.